is it so bad? Oh. Yeah, come on, that's 1-0.
Freaking Friday.
Manchester United. What? No way. Oh. No way. No. Okay, it's 2-1. It's 2-1 to me. I'm gonna make it 3-1. Now, you know, it's like that. Oh, it's 3-1 to me. I'm on a good start. Ah, you actually just mugging me off. You actually just mugging me off.
Oh, by the way, I didn't mention this.
Come on.
Loser gets shot with it.
It doesn't mention that. So I'm winning 4-2. Oh, I need to win this. What? I'm done. Oh no! Still 4-2. Come on, that's 5-2. Mine is 5-2. No, it's 5-2. Come on, that's 6-2, mate. 6-2. I'm shooting every NFL. It's 6-2. By the way, if you're wondering why he hasn't uploaded, it's because he's been on holiday. It's 6-2, but I'm actually really glad that I'm winning. Wow, 6-3. Oh, you're actually serious? I'm going to try and cut one. I nearly got one with it. No, this is actually doing my heading.
One eternity later.
Mine's all done anyway.
Yeah, look at mine. Mine is. Bam, 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 bam. I'll give no, stop. Because that would have landed if it weren't inside. I'll give you that one. 6-4. I would have landed if it didn't do that. Yeah, 6-5. Come back now. Yes! No, 7-6. Oh, that would have landed. 7-6. What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? No. If you land this, it doesn't count. Oh, come on. It's 7-6 to me, by the way. 7-6.
It's 7-7.
No. Why have you no way. No. No. doing my heading, except from this one. See, this is actually better. It just is. So, if it were a normal one, but all these are the ones, what are you doing? No! No! Kian, I landed it! I swear to God, wait, end the video. Wait,
No,
we'll be
don't
back.
end the video, I believe.
Wait, thank God. 9-8. No, honestly, I was just flipping it for ages. And I landed it. It's 9-8. No, what? You're going to land that now. It's 9-8 to me. You're going to win this now. No, if you won this now, I swear to God, I will go mental. Okay, looks like it's even worse. It is. Kian, Tim, get in here. No, 9-9. No, come on. Bro, wait. No, because you like swap bottle, that ain't fair that. Wait, let me have a look at this. If I get 2 here, then we're drawing. Wait, if I get 2.
You get 5 plus with that.
Get what?
So you've had 2 already.
No, because you didn't tell me that. Come on! Wait, man, surely that's sudden death. Bye! Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, wait, 20%. Mate. Look at that, mate! Can't land. And I just threw it. You saw that then? Hang on a minute. Okay, there we go! Right! Let's go. I cannot believe that just kept landing. Does that count? No. One. No. It's first to 5. No, it's actually just no. Why are you being such a tea?
I can't believe you're going for a cat.
Okay, that's just no. Oh, I would have landed if it weren't for that. Right, I'm using my mum's power.
I'm using my dad's power. No, this is actually
It went better than
this is
mine,
my
eh?
dad's power.
Yeah, this is my dad's power. Sunday League, best player. Free kick taker on the planet.
No, yeah.
Come on, no!
My dad is that.
I'd like to think about that, about my dad.
I'd like to think.
Why did I try and land it like that?
Oh,
Oh.
I'm gonna land it. I just know it.
Nah. Actually just is. What?
I'm on 3. 2 more.
Nah, surely it's not like a powerful nerf gun, is it?
Don't know. Don't use it a lot. 4.
Nah. I should get this now.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun.
If I get this. I just landed it. Oh my God, no. It's 2.
Right, go now. Oreo.
What? Wait, so...
Kneel down in front of it.
So the camera can see it, we're going to turn it around.
No.
up to there, up to that fence there. Oh, there's the little cat. Ian's little kitty.
Right, go on.
Hello, little kitty. Wait,
Get down.
hang on a minute.
Go on.
There we go. Right.
Can it see? I'm going to enjoy this one.
Ah, no, you don't want to step that close. Hang on a minute, get behind camera.
No. Because then they can't see that I'm firing this gun at you. And they'll say, yes!